Okay, friends, this is an algorithm that converts an infix form expression, an expression in infix form into postfix expression or expression in postfix form, okay? Now we are reading an expression in infix form and converting it into an expression in postfix form. So how we are going to do that with this algorithm? First of all, I will write an example and I will trace this code based on that example so you can easily understand how this algorithm works. Let's say that this is A plus let me think on that. You can say A plus B multiply C. Assume that this is our input. Okay, user entered this expression. So how this algorithm works? Now we'll discuss that. In this algorithm, we have stack, we have symbol, and we have postfix string. Because of that, I'm drawing a table for them. So we can easily follow the steps in this algorithm while I'm tracing it. So we have symbol, we have postfix string, and we have our stack. This is a table for my trace, okay? Now, let's start from the beginning. Actually, I entered the input, not end of input. I'm reading next character. Friends, this type of algorithm may need fine tuning. Read next character at the beginning is not the next, actually, it's the first character, okay? So we may, while we are converting this algorithm to a C function, so you may need to, make fine tunings for that. But here, the most important thing is the general idea of this algorithm. I'm reading an input character, so the first character is A. My symbol is A, okay? Symbol is A. If symbol is an operand, is it operand? Yes. If it's operand, what I am doing, I am adding my symbol to the postfix string. So postfix string will be A. And then else part will be skipped. It will go up, not end of input, okay, and read the next input character. What is that? Plus. So symbol will be plus, okay? Now, symbol is an operand. Is it true? Is it true? False. Yes, it's false. So I am in else part. In the else part, I have a loop, okay? In this loop, I have two conditions. Not empty stack. And we have second condition. Okay. In the first operator, when we encounter the first operator, of course stack is empty. Okay? If stack is empty, I don't want to do anything. Okay? And the other thing is, we are considering the priorities of operators. Okay? Priorities of operators. So these two conditions are very important for us. Okay? Here I have stack top function that it only gets the last inserted element into stack. And here I'm going to use my stack for operators only. Therefore, this function returns me the last inserted operator. Okay, always. I will take that operator here with this function. And then I have a symbol here. Since I entered in else part, my symbol is also an operator. So here I have two operators. And I'm going to compare them. Compare for what? If the last inserted element in the stack, if the priority of the last inserted element in the stack is higher than the priority of symbol, this precedence function will return me true. Okay. For example, if the last inserted element in the stack is multiplication and my symbol is addition or subtraction, this PRCD function will return me true. Okay. Otherwise, I will get false. For example, if the last inserted element is plus and my symbol is multiplication, so plus have no any plus priority is not higher than multiplication, so result will be false. Okay. Because of that, this algorithm alone is not enough, so you will need to write a function for stack top and you will need a function for PRCD to get to understand the priority, if the last inserted element's priority is higher than the symbol or not. Okay. Now let's go back. What is my symbol? Symbol is plus, but doesn't matter because not empty stack is false because stack is empty. Okay. So this condition is false. So I don't need to check and the second condition because false and something produce me false. Because of that, it will not enter into loop body and it will skip, the compiler will skip while and comes to here. Push symbol into stack. What is symbol? Plus. So plus will be inserted into stack. My postfix string is still the same, A, and then it goes back, not end of input, and read the next character. Okay, what is next character? It is B. Okay, now B is an operand. Yes, add symbol to postfix. So my postfix string will be AB and my stack is still the same, plus. Then next loop cycle, next input character is multiplication. Then symbol is an operand. False, I am here in else part. Let's check the conditions in while. Not empty stack is true. Okay. What about the next? Okay, let's look at that. The last inserted operator in stack is what? Plus. When you look to stack, you will see plus. What is my symbol? Multiplication. Okay, let's check precedence function. Plus has higher priority than multiplication. True? No. False. So when I have false here, true and false produce me false. Again, I'm skipping loop. I will not execute loop body and I will push the symbol into stack. So plus and multiplication. And here I have AB. Then go back. Next loop cycle, read the next character. It is C. And I got C. Okay. C here. I'm checking it. Symbol is an operand. Yes, true. Add the symbol to postfix. So A, B, C. Okay, my stack is the same. Then next loop cycle, but the loop will be terminated because my input is finished. Then I will quit from while loop. I will come here. I have another loop here. Okay. And in this loop, what I am doing, if my stack is not empty, I am popping every element in the stack and add it to my postfix string. So in the first pop, in the first execution of this loop, what happens? Multiplication will be popped and added to my postfix string. Then in the next loop cycle, I will pop plus and edit, or let's say append to my postfix string, and then my stack is empty and it's finished. So I can say that this is my input and this is the expression in postfix form for my input. Okay, I got it. Is this clear? Okay. Now I will solve one more example, because in this example we didn't enter in this loop body at all. So let's change our input and trace it one more time. Okay. Okay. Any question? Okay. Now let me clear this. Okay, I will clear this. Okay, let me clear this part also, because I will change my input. Okay. Now I will change my input to A multiply B plus C. So what happens? Okay, I'm starting from the first one. So my symbol is A, and if symbol is an operand. Yes. So append it to postfix string. Then next loop cycle, not end of input, and next character is multiplication. I have multiplication, symbol is an operand false, then I am here. Okay, and what happens? Not empty stack, but stack is empty. Because of that, I will not execute this loop and then enter into let's say move to this statement, and I will push my symbol into my stack. My postfix string is still the same. Then next loop cycle and next character is B. B is an operand, so I will add it to my postfix string. A, B, my stack is the same. Then next loop cycle and next character is plus. Now, what happens? Plus. Okay. Plus is an operand. False. Yeah, I'm in else part. I am here in while. Not empty stack. Okay, this is true because my stack is not empty. And what is the last insert operator in stack? It's multiplication. What is my symbol? It's addition. So precedence function, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So this will return me true. Now I will enter into the loop body. What happens here? Since the priority is higher, then I am going to pop it and add it to my postfix string, because multiplication comes first, okay? Therefore, I pop it, then I edit the popped item to my postfix string. So I will pop this AB multiplication, and my stack is empty now. Then I go up to the next loop cycle, but now my stack is empty, therefore it will terminate this loop. When this loop terminates, now I am here. I will push my symbol into stack. What is my symbol? Plus. Now plus will be inserted. Okay? Okay. Then next loop cycle for the next character, it is C. Then C is an operand, so I will add it to my postfix string. A, B, multiply C, and we have plus in stack. And then the next loop cycle but end of input. So I will terminate this loop, and now I am here. And I will take every element in the stack one by one and add it to my postfix string. So what happens? Pop it. So I will pop this, add it to my postfix string, and then stack will be empty, and this loop will be terminate also. Okay? Yes? And now what we have, I entered this infix and I got this postfix. You understand how this algorithm works? So you can use this algorithm. Actually, you will write C function for this algorithm, but that's not enough because as you see, we have two more functions here, precedence and stack top. So you need to write two more functions in order to make this function work appropriately. Okay? Now I want you to continue on your exercise and finalize the program.